Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, and if you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. As you guys can see from the title, we'll be working with CurlyMe here, but this time we're going to be working with their 𝐿-𝐂𝐀 unit. This gorgeous unit is a 20-inch 9x6 𝐿-𝐂𝐀 glueless wear and go mini knot wig unit in Kinky Curly, and she is stunning. I'm living for the curls, and in today's video I showed you how to do a quick and easy glueless install. I speak way more about the 𝐿-𝐂𝐀 unit, but let's get into these knots real quick because they are absolutely invisible, and that is a perk of the 𝐿-𝐂𝐀 unit. The knots are literally super hand tight, small, and pretty much non-existent. So when it comes on to beginner friendliness, this wig should definitely be on your radar this sale season. CurlyMe hair will be having a whole bunch of discounted deals, and like I said before, this is a glueless unit, so I can take it off, I can put it back on, and it's literally a beginner's dream. So don't forget to go ahead and check those links. And enough of me rambling, let's jump into today's tutorial so I can show you guys how to install your CurlyMe unit just like this.
Just chemicals inside my brain. Not just chemicals inside my brain. Not just chemicals inside my brain. Not just chemicals inside my brain. I think that not just chemicals inside my brain. 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 I think there's a step back to realize make me wanna stay. I took a step back to realize make me wanna stay.
Hi you guys, so I am back and this is the end result. This gorgeous unit is from CurlyMe hair. They went ahead and sent me their 20-inch 9x6 lace M-cap wear and go glueless mini knots kinky curly wig unit. It is a lace closure unit, and as you guys can see, the texture is definitely there. It is way less coarser, super duper soft, and it is super full for kinky curly texture. It's definitely giving that vibe, but when you are detangling it, it definitely doesn't give kinky curly, which is weird. But then, you know, it curls up to be kinky curly and I'm loving it. The 20-inch is definitely true to length for this texture. It'll end up being typically really short, but this is more on the mid-length side. But once you stretch it, it is a true 20 inches. This one even seems longer. I'm loving this gorgeous hair. I'm living for the texture, you guys. Like, she's eating. And also is this lace. So let's just go ahead and get into these knots. They are super invisible, and that is because each knot is single hand tied to each piece of the grid of the lace, which gives off a more natural, realistic effect. It just pretty much looks like the knots are growing up out of your scalp, which is definitely very beginner friendly. So if you are a beginner, this unit is definitely for you. It is 100% glueless, as I said before, so I can go ahead and stick this comb in there, and as you guys can see, she is glueless, so we do not have the obligation of keeping on the wig for as long as you would if you were wearing glue on your unit. The band also has some grips on it, which prevents slippage or the wig coming off, so it's like an anti-slip grip band that they have in. And they also have removable combs, and this M-cap feature allows for the ears to be super duper comfortable. Usually closures don't, you know, go around your ear. Usually when you have a frontal, you can cut around your ear, but with a closure you can't, or you don't have that luxury. But with this wig unit, you are able to have some type of comfort, because I know it can be a little bit annoying with wearing wigs and having that closure band, you know, brush against your ear. So that is also a nice little upgrade for this M-cap unit. And yeah, CurlyMe definitely has a whole bunch of deals this sale season. We are in November. Everything is gonna be at a discounted rate, so don't forget to go ahead and check the links in the description box if you'd like to go ahead and purchase this gorgeous unit. And don't forget to use your discount code so you can get this gorgeous kinky curly unit for a bang for your buck. And I think that's pretty much it. I don't have anything negative to say. Shedding was a minimum, tangling is not an issue, and don't forget to go ahead and click those links. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babe.